हमारे साथ एक बहुत बड़ी हस्ती इस विश्वविद्यालय की है। जब मैं इनका प्रोफाइल थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा आपको तो यू डेफिनेटली फील की कितनी बड़ी हस्ती है ये। प्रोफेसर श्यामलाल कौशल was a professor in the Himachal Pradesh University Business School for the last 14 years, full professor. वैसे हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में 92 से कार्यरत हैं, so the total experience in this university is 32 years. And अभी मैं जैसे आपको बताऊँ इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊंगा तो आप खुद देखेंगे इन्होंने इतनी सीट्स पे काम किया है। सो इनको यूनिवर्सिटी की इन्स एंड आउट्स, ईच एंड एवरी इन्स एंड आउट्स का बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है और आई एम श्योर कि आज जो भी इंटरेक्शन होगा उससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा लाभान्वित होने वाले हैं। प्रोफेसर श्यामलाल कौशल is a full professor since 2009 in the HP University Business School, and then he had been the chief warden. He has remained the chief warden. He has remained the controller of examination earlier also. ये इनका दूसरा टर्म है। ये HP यूनिवर्सिटी के रजिस्ट्रार का कार्यभार भी संभाल चुके हैं और बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में, उनके बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं। मैं एक एक करके नाम दूंगा। डायरेक्टर कॉस्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन स्कीम, डायरेक्टर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड हिमालयन स्टडीज, डायरेक्टर HPUBS जो इनका मैनेजमेंट का स्कूल है वहाँ भी एक डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं और डीन है आजकल फैकल्टी ऑफ बिजनेस के, डीन है आपके फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट के। और उसके अलावा आजकल इनके पास एक और डीन का कार्यभार है, वो है डीन स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर, कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, डीन स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर, विच इज़ अ वेरी बिग बहुत मतलब इस यूनिवर्सिटी का मेजर काम जो होता है वो आपका स्टूडेंट से रिलेटेड डीन स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर ऑफिस में होता है एंड ही इज डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब देयर। इसके अलावा इनके पास डीन फैकल्टी ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट डेवलपमेंट एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी स्टडीज़ का भी कार्यभार है। साथ ही साथ डायरेक्टर है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी स्टडीज़ और एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल जो इस विश्वविद्यालय की जो सुप्रीम बॉडी होती है, विच इज़ द सुप्रीम बॉडी फॉर मेकिंग एनी डिसीजन इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, उसके ये मेंबर रह चुके हैं। इसके अलावा एकेडमिक सेक्शन में जो एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल है वो सारे फाइनेंशियल परचेज एवरी मैटर गोज टू देयर सो दैट एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल, लेकिन एकेडमिक से जो रिलेटेड होते हैं उसके लिए सुप्रीम बॉडी होती है एकेडमिक काउंसिल। ही हैज बीन द मेंबर ऑफ दैट आल्सो कपल ऑफ टाइम्स एंड देन मेंबर ऑफ बोर्ड्स ऑफ स्टडीज अपने डिपार्टमेंट की और बहुत सारी और दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटीज की। और साथ ही साथ इनके जो टोटल पेपर इतना सारा काम करने के बाद भी 66 रिसर्च पेपर्स इनके पब्लिश हैं आज तक और एक बुक लिख चुके हैं ये और बिजनेस एथिक्स पे। देन ही हैज बीन द एडिटर सिंस 2010 ऑफ ए जर्नल। डिपार्टमेंट वाले एक जर्नल भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। अभी आपको शायद आइडिया नहीं होगा जर्नल क्या होता है, बहुत बड़ा काम होता है जर्नल को एडिटर का काम संभालना। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग थिंग। उसके अलावा 57 की नोट एड्रेसेस और अदर जगह ये अपने लेक्चर दे चुके हैं और 102 से ज़्यादा पेपर इनके पब्लिश हैं, प्रेजेंट हो चुके हैं कॉन्फ्रेंसेस और उसमें, और 6 PhD गाइड कर चुके हैं, 310 मास्टर्स डिग्री MBA की, 16 हाँ एक वो उसके ऊपर ओवरलैप हो जाएगा, तो 16 PhD स्कॉलर्स, दैट्स अ बिग थिंग। और कम से कम इनका नाम जो है 20 से 25 फॉरेन कंट्रीज की वेरियस यूनिवर्सिटीज के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है जहाँ ये विजिट कर चुके हैं। और अगर हम प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज की बात करें, कॉर्पोरेट बॉडीज की बात करें, CII, FICCI एंड PhD चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ऑफ इंडिया का के ये एसोसिएटेड मेंबर हैं। और सोशल अगर एक्सटेंशन एक्टिविटीज़ की बात करें, बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। साथ में साथ आजकल जो HP हिमाचल प्रदेश के जो टीचर्स की जो एसोसिएशन है जिसको हुकूटा कहते हैं, उसके भी प्रेसिडेंट हैं। और नोडल ऑफिसर हैं अम्बेडकर चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स हिमाचल प्रदेश यूनिवर्सिटी। So I extend a very very warm welcome to Professor Shyamalal Kaushal on behalf of the chairman of the Department of Data Science Engineering and on behalf of the faculty and staff as well as the students of the Department of Data Science Engineering. And I am sure कि आपके मन में अगर अच्छा एक और इनसे इनकी अभी एक और बड़ी बात है कि इन्होंने कहा कि अगर इनकी क्वेरीज होगी तो वी कैन हैव एन ओपन सेशन आल्सो। सो अगर आपके मन में एग्जामिनेशन से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेरीज हैं, यू कैन जस्ट शूट देम एंड आई एम श्योर 100% श्योर कि आप निराश नहीं होंगे। सो नॉट विथ standing in between you and Professor Kaushal, I heartily welcome him to address the Cabinet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Manu Sood ji, Chairman, Department of Data Science, for pleasant words.
You deserve every bit of it.
Thank you for nice introduction. You see that these are the basic formalities, rituals which are performed in any session. I am still a student of management and I am trying to learn management. I learned this management during my student life, and even till date I am also learning so many things about management, because everywhere, in every interaction, in every activity, I try to learn that how I can do things differently and in a better way. I think this can be sufficient introduction.
Yes.
Otherwise, there are so many things which need to do during the course. So we have to learn. So in the beginning, I thank Professor Manu Sood, all the guest faculty, and some scholars, our staff, and dear students. It's my privilege to be with you today on this occasion of the induction session. You see that now you are in HP University. हाँ एक ही है जो बताइए. And on behalf of
चेहरे करो जल्दी.
on behalf of HP University, as well as I am looking after examinations, so I extend my warm welcome to all of you in HP University as student, and I hope that you will be learning a lot under the able guidance of Professor Manu Sood. So he also has a lot of experience in the university. He has seen so many administrative positions as well as academic positions. So he's having rich experience. We are friends for years together. We work here in different bodies, in different associations, I can say, and above all, we are very colleagues. We can say that we were friends. We are still friends. So quickly, I think let us proceed with my talk today. Though I have planned it to make it in two parts. Firstly, I will be talking about examinations, and then I will try to give certain tips to you so that you can be better person, you can make your personality better. That can be called as life management tips. But at the same time, what I will say that can be taken this way, that how you can make your personality better than others. And as you must have seen that how to make impressive personality, right? So, dear students, a little brief introduction, though you must have been told this in other sessions also. This university is one of the oldest university, not only in Himachal, but it is one of the oldest university in our country. As you are finding that since 1970, it is offering various degrees and diplomas. And very important part is that here interesting that we are having about 280 affiliated colleges. As you must have come from different colleges of the state, so you must have seen that there are so many colleges. But at present, 280 colleges are affiliated to this university, right? Then another is teachers at campus. Here in our university, about 460 teachers are working at present, right? Then non-teaching employees, as per the data is available, 963 employees are there. Then technical employees, you can see 109 employees are in technical field, right? Then a little bit more information about our university. Main campus, you see that we are having 10 faculties, right? As you are part of the, say, this your physical science faculty, right? So that way we are having 10 faculties in our campus, right? Then we are having one regional center at Dharamsala. Then satellite campus, we are having a department of evening studies, right? Then institutes, we are having about 5 institutes offering various programs. They are termed, it can be say UILS, UCDS, right? Then UIT, then your Institute of Vocational Studies, then your tribal studies. There are so many institutes, yes, right? Then now coming to the departments, we are having 49 departments in our university, and your data science department is one of them, right? And programs, 117 programs are being offered by these departments, right? Then chairs, there are certain chairs which are specialists in their different philosophies or on the basis of certain importance. Then there are certain centers, correspondence center in simple, popularly known as ICDEOL, right? In case you are unable to say pursue your study on regular basis, right? Then you can have the chance to pursue through this correspondence mode, right? Then there are different say centers. I think Canadian studies, women studies, environmental studies, so many things are there. So next, right? So now this is interesting. Again, some figures. Say, in our masters at campus, we are having about 7,300 students strength at present in different MD/MSc programs, right? Then research scholars, say we are having more than 1,200 research scholars in our campus, right? Even some research scholars are also Meshwar and isn't it? So they are part of this, say, the number, right? Then this is students, university at a glance. Certain buildings you must have seen, but at least being new person, you must be aware about these buildings. These buildings, these structures are very, very important to you people, right? First is your library. Your majority lifetime should be in the library whenever you are in the campus. So this building you try to locate and then try to be there when you are free from the class. Yes, right? So this is virtual now. After this, you are having visit to that department, as Professor Sumit is telling me, that administrative block for say any kind of the queries, right? You can visit that department. Then this is your Netaji Subhash Chandra building, your own building. You must be knowing this. Are you aware about this? Yes, have you seen this? Yes, right? Then examination wing, the wing I am representing here specially, isn't it? That is the examination wing. Because whatever you are doing, are you doing able? Are you getting the fairness? Are you getting the results on time? So this wing is very important, right? So you see this building, in case you are having any query, you can knock the door of this building, right? Anytime, right? Then ICDEOL correspondence program, right? Attending to this. Then auditorium, very important for cultural and for all the debates and declamation kind of the things. You can go there. Then now this is examination wing. This examination wing is headed by COE. Then additional control of examination. Then we are having say 5 assistant registrars. You see these are the special branches of the examination wing. One is AR secrecy. Secrecy is the crown of the university, isn't it? The image of the university depends upon this. As the examination is again the say face by that the university is going to be known. Whether you are getting your results on time, meaning thereby university is functioning properly. In case your result is not on time, then it doesn't mean that exam wing is not working. It means that university is not working somewhere, because they are creating bottlenecks to the working of the examination wing. Because examinations, by examinations you are getting the certificates, isn't it? Because all your activities are just targeted for that, isn't it? You want results, degree, certificate, right? So this secrecy, meaning there is fairness, confidentiality, trust, that is supposed to be maintained by the secrecy branch. We are having a specialized section for that, assistant registrar.
It has been doing really well.
Yes, we can boast of that,
Yes, yes, yes.
isn't it? So, then AR conduct, assistant registrar, who is going to schedule the exams, when your exam should be, how they are going to be organized. That is the role of this wing, assistant registrar conduct, right? Duties of the your teachers, superintendent, deputy superintendents, then flying squads, isn't it? To ensure fairness, right? Not allowing you to say do any mischief during the examinations. That is AR conduct. Then another branch is assistant registrar examinations, meaning thereby you are applying for your examinations, filling up the form in simple words, right? That is the duty of this. This is the role of assistant registrar exam. Whether you are eligible or not eligible, whether you are fulfilling all conditions or not, that is supposed to be seen by the assistant registrar examinations, right? Then AR evaluation. If your exams are conducted, answer sheets are collected, then question comes of evaluation. How to do evaluation of the answer sheets, right? Many times students say बहुत अच्छा किया था मैंने, पता नहीं कि आजकल तो ये कंप्लेंट बड़ी है, पेरेंट्स को भी लेके आते हैं और पेरेंट्स बड़ी फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलते हैं कि जी बच्चा बोल रहा है ये बहुत ही अच्छा पेपर हुआ था, और उसके ऊपर हम भी कलाकार हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी तो कलाकार है, भैया ठीक है अप्लाई करो आप। इवैल्यूएशन से पहले भी एक स्टेप है, राइट टू इंस्पेक्ट। राइट टू इंस्पेक्ट, बच्चा तो बोलता है कि मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, फिर हम पेरेंट्स को अलाउ करते हैं कि आप थोड़ी फीस दो और फिर जाओ अपने बच्चे का देख लो उसने क्या क्या लिखा है। कुछ तो दूध का दूध पानी का पानी, कुछ नहीं तो राम राम लिखा होता है, कहीं उन्हें गाने लिखे ऐसे भी हमने आंसर शीट्स देखी, फिर पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि सॉरी सर, कुछ तो जेन्युइन भी होते हैं, देखो मिस्टेक कैन बी डन बाय एनीबॉडी, है ना, some negligence, some casualness by any teacher or some by any examiner, that can be there. For evaluation purposes, you can apply for re-evaluation, then marks can be corrected, isn't it? Human beings है, गलती तो कहीं भी हो सकती है, थोड़ा बहुत भी हो सकती है. So AR evaluation, that part is done. Then another is AR entrance. So all your entrances are being conducted by the university, as all you people. अच्छा मैं, isn't it?
अगले साल से
it has to, right? So all the entrance tests are also conducted by one wing. That is, at present the focus is of this branch is on B.Ed entrance test, in which about 20,000 students generally appear.
The biggest number I suppose.
Highest number.
किसी भी
Yes.
entrance में test.
Any test, isn't it? That thing is there. So then under them there are section officers, under them there are certain, say the superintendents and employees. So this way this is the thing. Then now again some figures about our university is that in UG classes, BA, BSc, BCom, at a time approximate 1 lakh students appear. About 1 lakh students take examinations. 98,161 is the number of the current session. That in different UG courses, approximate this number have appeared. You can see that how big our university is. You are associated, you get opportunity to be associated with this university, right? Then PG classes, approximate 40,000 students are in PG classes. It's in itself is a big number. Because this number includes courses in the campus, correspondence in the colleges, because in many colleges there are PG programs also, right? Then there are certain reappear cases also, right? Because our university is quite generous. या आप अभी नहीं कर पाते तो अगली बार देख लेना, कोई बात. So reappear chance भी improvement भी काफी देते रहते हैं. अभी हमारे 30 से जो है golden chance 90 onward बैचेस को दिया है कि 90 से लेके अगर किसी की डिग्री कहीं किसी ढंग से कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है तो वो कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सुपर गोल्डन चांस 1990 onwards, right? So there are so many things. right? Then examination centers, again you can see that for undergraduate classes, BA, BSc, BCom, we had say, assigned this duty to about 118 centers. Then for BBA 37, then BCA 49, then MMSc 42, then BA 52 centers we had planned. Then one other, some important feature about our university is that we are having alumni association. Now, as you are student of the university now, right, you are having every right to become member of this HP University Alumni Association.
And it's a registered body.
This is the registered body. And so time to time we used to organize alumni meets. Even I think last month we had say one very big event, very big event, right, of the 90s say batch, isn't it? 1992 2000, isn't it? Decadal chapter we introduced. So the purpose of this in brief, if I tell you, that the purpose of this is that you can become member of this. Through this you can network with anybody, because this is oldest university. So at this point of time there are many students of this university who are at the top positions, who are say in the top positions. They are the CEOs or the say MDs, or as say entrepreneurs also they are doing a lot. Then in bureaucracy, right, then in judiciary, right, there are many people. Politics also, because ultimately environment is regulated by the politicians, right? Their philosophies and policies are executed by the bureaucrats, right? But if the chance is that you can avail this opportunity, one should become part of this, right? The networking is very important, right?
They can become the members right now or after passing out?
I think it can be any time, but after completing your this program, then you are having every right. Then you become the alumni. At present you are student, right? So on the completion you can have. So this is second part. But prior to this, in case anybody is having certain queries in your mind about examinations, because this was a little simple points, I prefer to share with you certain slides on examinations or about the
Very important. Very, very important.
So, in case you are having some queries about examinations or about the university, then you can raise that. Otherwise, we can proceed further with certain tips as teacher I can give you so that you can be. Though I believe you are a better person, but I want to make you more better. Right? Should we proceed further? Okay. So, here, let I give you certain things. Personality is very, very important, right? So, you see that everybody in himself or herself consider that I am important, I am better, I am the best. But are you? That is question, right? First thing about personality is that personality doesn't mean what you think, what you are. Personality is how people perceive you. What other people think about you, that is personality.
The people who matter.
Yes. Right? So, here the thing is, yes. Right? So, here the thing is, you see just that whenever question comes of any personality, then we Indians are having so many legends, right? And one of them, we can say that when question comes of this person, right? So, you see, you analyze the personality of this person from any side, you can learn so many things. Because I don't want to make it conceptual that what is personality, what is that is not important for you. Because you are the students of data science, right? And data science is very, very important area, I think. In my opinion, you have taken very correct decision in your life. Because in the time to come, your area is going to become the backbone of any decision making. Because no decision we can take without any inputs. Why people fail? People fail because they are taking decision without the correct inputs. Decision fails. Decision fails because your input is not correct, or the input you have taken is not correct, is not authentic. Right? So in this way, you have to learn that data science is very important, and you have to use it, you have to provide it in such a manner so that anybody who is taking decision on this basis, their decision should be best. Right? So you see that personality is having so many things. In simple, what is personality? Is the mix of traits, interests, drives, values, self-respect, abilities, emotional patterns. This is the thing. All of you differ only on these parameters. Otherwise, we are all human beings. We are having a collection of certain bones and fleshes. More or less same. But how you differ from another? We differ on the basis of our traits, interests, drives, values, self-respect, abilities and emotions. So you have to make difference, right? The next is again certain more things, because these are the things which makes us different. Certain people understand them, other people don't understand them. At this stage, if you are going to understand this, right, you can focus on your personality, that these things I want to improve, right? The next. Now the question is how to create impressive personality. You see that cricket in India, cricket in Asia, isn't it? Is fewer, isn't it? You can forget about eating, sleeping, isn't it? You can forget everything for cricket. This is passion, isn't it? Craze in our country as well as in Asian country. So you see that how to make personalities, right? Next. So these are the certain parameters. Now this slide. You see what type of person you want to be. You see that the two pics, isn't it? Two pics. Now what type of person you want to be? That person or this person? Whom you like? Whom you like? First or second? First, isn't it? Anybody who likes second? चाहते हुए भी नहीं बोल पाएंगे. मेरे को पता है दो तीन है. मेरे को पता है दो तीन है बीच में. क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ चेहरे. क्योंकि उनके चेहरे भी ऐसे ही हैं जैसे सेकंड का है. Right. But the thing is, important point to be learned here is that everybody want to see you smiling. Why? Snatching your smile. Second part is that your smile has been snatched by the environment. You see your early days on this earth. You see early days of you people on this earth. Isn't it? आपको नहीं पता होगा ना? क्यों? वो आपके पेरेंट्स को पता होगा. But your identity is going to be determined whether you are creative, intelligent, normal, are you reacting with smile or not in the childhood. Because your smile speaks that you are active, you are acceptable, you are reacting, right? And our natural reaction to anything always is smile. You smile first year, second year, third year, then third year when you went to school, then you start restricting your smile, right? And then that day onward you are always forced not to smile by the environment. That is your struggle now to carry your smile on your face. Right? But in simple, here the thing is, it's very important that if you want to be impressive personality, first of all you have to be a smile on your face. That is why it is required. Every smiling person doesn't mean the person is happy. Every smiling person doesn't mean the person is having everything. अगर आप नहीं भी हैं तब भी स्माइल देके दूसरों को इतना तो कर दो कि भैया मैं खुश हूं तो खुश नहीं है. अगर ये भी नहीं कर सकते कि कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And nobody is always happy. You cannot say that we are always happy. But many times we have to give smile to others that I am happy, I am okay, you are not okay. This is real world kind of the thing. But at your stage, I think you will not accept these things so early, right? But one thing is important, everybody will agree with me that first pick is the pick of your choice. If it's not, then you have to make it your choice. You have to smile in this world. Otherwise, people will eliminate you. People will defeat you. Because you have to keep this smile. Because nobody likes such people. Second person, right? Then next is communication. Communication. Dialogue is very important in life. Dialogue is very important in life. Whatever comes in your mind, you should express. You should express. Don't try to keep everything to you. Simple, right? Research speaks that males are having more heart strokes than women. Research, data, your data. राइट. अब मैं पॉइंट यहां पे क्या बोलना चाहता हूं कि मेल्स आर गेटिंग मोर हार्ट स्ट्रोक्स. व्हाई? इजंट इट? हम नहीं बोलेंगे. सोसाइटी, कल्चर, मेल्स, इजंट इट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है? नहीं, अलग बात है. बट सोसाइटी स्पीक्स दैट नाउ यू आर जेंट्स. यू मस्ट हैव सीन एट योर लोकल लेवल्स कि पापा हैं तो बड़े स्ट्रांग होते हैं. ये पिक्चर क्रिएट किया. मम्मा है तो नाजुक होते हैं. Isn't it? The point here I am trying to make is that वो बोल के जेंट्स को इतना स्ट्रांग कर दिया उन्होंने. They are unable to express their feelings, their experiences, right? कि सब कुछ नहीं बोलना हो, right? And females या गर्ल्स, अभी आप isn't it? एक कमरे में 5 गर्ल्स बैठी थी और वो चुप थी. सबसे बड़ा झूठ. किसी से इंटरव्यू में पूछ लिया कि भाई सबसे बड़ा झूठ क्या है. बेचारा सोचने लगा कि पता नहीं क्या झूठ होगा. फिर उसको ध्यान आया. जो कमरे में 5 लड़कियां बैठी थी चुप. ये झूठ, ये सबसे बड़ा झूठ हो ही नहीं सकता. But here the point I am trying to make is that communication is very important. Here I am communicating something. I am trying to communicate something effectively. I am trying to communicate something so that you can understand something, right? How I am communicating, how I am presenting the things, that is my communication style. That is part of my personality. Meaning thereby you should be able to learn that how to express your personal things, formal things, and the technical things. But one thing is important कि जो अकेला रहेगा वो अकेला ही रहता जाएगा. अकेले नहीं रहना. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि यहाँ पे आए हो, ट्राई टू बी सोशल, ट्राई टू improve your interpersonal skills. In management we call it that try to be in a group, try to make friends, try to be with others, right? And then try to improve your interpersonal skills. लेकिन साइंस का जो बैकग्राउंड जहां तक मैं समझता हूं, सोशल साइंसेस और प्योर साइंसेस में भी ये डिफरेंस है. साइंस बैकग्राउंड के जो बच्चे हैं वो हमेशा आपको थोड़े से इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक मिलेंगे. Researches has shown this. We have seen this during last 35 years. Isn't it? साइंस के बच्चे आपको जनरली मिलेंगे, वो अकेले पढ़ेंगे, अकेले आएंगे, अकेले चल भी पड़ेंगे, मूव कर पाएंगे. सोशल साइंसेस के बच्चे आपको देखना वो अकेले बहुत कम मिलेंगे, वो 2-3 के ग्रुप में चलेंगे. अलग बात है कि जो हमारी एजुकेशन है, जो आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन है, उसका पार्ट भी पर्सनैलिटी पे होता है. That shapes your personality. But here the important thing is that express yourself, try to have communication. isn't it? जहाँ कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है किसी भी रिलेशन में, हस्बैंड वाइफ का रिलेशन है, अगर 2 दिन आपने भी पेरेंट्स देखे होंगे, अगर कहीं छोटी मोटी खटपट तो होती है, और अगर एक दिन ही मम्मी पापा बोल रहे हैं और दूसरे चल रहे हैं तो आप सोचते हैं हो गया, घर में इतनी शांति कैसे हो? Isn't it? Here the important thing is that expression. जैसे अभी पॉइंट मैंने वहां से शुरू किया था कि जो फीमेल है उनको हार्ट स्ट्रोक कम इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि जहां उनको मौका मिलता है वो उनको 10% बोलना होता है तब वो 20% बोल देती है। एक्सप्रेस कुछ नहीं रखना अपने पास, isn't it? कुछ नहीं रखना, isn't it? जो नहीं भी सुना बोलना है वो भी बोलना, टेंशन खत्म, टेंशन खत्म, isn't it? जेंट्स को थोड़ा बॉयज को भी थोड़ा नहीं कहा कि हम भी इसी लाइन में हैं, हम बोल नहीं पाते, अब मौका मिला है, संसार ने मौका दिया तो हम बोल रहे हैं। But the important thing is here that try to be in a group, try to have group, you are class, your identity should be your class. And everybody, अगर कोई लगता है कोई बच्चा नहीं बोल पा रहा है उसको भी साथ दो। Professional, I think data science is also a professional program. Here the important thing is try to create group, try to have team, and then anybody who is unable to come together, take that person with you and try to make that person comfortable. It is also very important. Communication should be there, right? Then next is compliments. Always appreciate people. Always appreciate people.
Very important.
Always appreciate. If someone is doing a little bit better, acknowledge the things in public. But compliment should be genuine. ये नहीं है कि मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, बोलने के बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। Isn't it? Means कि उसको भी पता चल रहा है कि मेरी खींच रही है। But here the important thing is that appreciation must be there. If your people are doing something better, you appreciate them. Genuine compliments, isn't it? So compliments must be. Appreciation should be, right? Then sense of humor. अभी थोड़ा तो बीच में मैंने कोशिश की लगाने की है ना, अभी तो बात की बात है। But humor is very important part of life. Smile से फिर हम smile की तरफ आ गए, right? But this is very important. Don't try to allow anybody to snatch your smile. दुनिया जो मर्जी करे, उन्होंने करना है. They will compete, they will dominate you, they will eliminate you, they will defeat you. That's why this is the real world. We are not living in the virtual world. We are not living in the imagination. You are not the student of English and Hindi and Sanskrit, where we live in imagination, fantasies. No. In the professional world, you have to live in the real world. You have to take the things heads on. You have to take the things heads on. Isn't it? Because everywhere people will defeat you, but you have to keep in mind that you have to create some humor in your life. अपने लिए भी time निकाल. This person is earning crores. Isn't it? You see that comedians are also earning a lot. क्योंकि अब it has emerged as profession. Career. Right? Because people have forget to love. People have lost everything. They are unable to laugh. And now that's why these professions are coming up. Because now you need people to make you laugh. Right? इसको कौन निकालता? Right? और इसका मिक्स भी आप जानते हैं, क्योंकि जब इसको हम देखते हैं तो इसका बड़ा कोई बिल्कुल ही मजाक नहीं है. Biggest art is to make jokes on himself or herself. अपने ऊपर मजाक करना है हालत, अपना मजाक बनवाना. मम्मी के साथ होती है इसकी, मम्मी के ऊपर भी ये जोक्स काटते, फैमिली के ऊपर भी काटते, है ना? और कई बार वल्गर भी शुरू हो जाते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी बिक रहा है. Real world. But here the important thing is, wherever you are getting the chance to have humor, to crack the jokes, isn't it? In simple words, we must have some moments for lighter things. Don't try to do everything in total, say, sophisticated and total rough and tough, isn't it? कुछ मूवमेंट्स अपने लिए रखिए जब आप हो और आप खुद हंस रहे हो। हमें प्रोग्राम सब देखते हैं, है ना? सारे देखते हैं, सारी फैमिलीज देखती हैं। आपने भी देखा हो, है ना? ये अलग बात है कि कई बार आप पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ के नहीं देख पाते या देखना पसंद नहीं करते। अपने कमरे में टीवी नहीं है तो टीवी के बाद मोबाइल में देख रहे होते हैं, देख सकते हो, बिकॉज वी वांट टू बी हैप्पी। दिस इज आवर बेसिक इमोशन, दिस इज आवर बेसिक इमोशन, स्माइल एंड लाफ। Feeling happiness is our basic emotion, natural human, first natural, right? So this thing must be there in your personality. थोड़ा सा humor अपने life में, अपनी personality में, अपनी activity में जरूर रखो, right? Then another is respect, gratitude, gratefulness. We Indians, in the morning we always, isn't it, pray, right? वो अलग बात है कि हम प्रे करते हैं कि भगवान ऐसा भी दे देना, मुझे ऐसा भी दे देना, ऐसा भी दे देना। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो भी ये फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है कि एटलीस्ट यू आर हैविंग ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर समथिंग। लेकिन थैंक यू करने कम ही जाते हैं, भगवान से मांगा मिल गया, उसके बाद थैंक्स करने कम जाते हैं। बट द थिंग इज दैट हालांकि हिंदी चलो अब थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल बात है, isn't it? But one must have respect. Learning can take place when you are having respect for something. Without respect, you cannot make learning possible. तो आज बोलते हैं ना बड़े लिखे हैं, ग्रेजुएट हो गए, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट हो गए, PhD हो गए, isn't it? लेकिन उस जमाने की बातें हैं जब कोई फॉर्मल डिग्री कोर्स प्रोग्राम नहीं होते। लेकिन एक्चुअल लर्निंग तभी होती थी जब आप पूरा गुरु को गुरु मानते। You know, my guru is everything, isn't it? हालांकि मॉडर्न आप कुछ मानते भी नहीं है कि we are teachers, we are salaried employees, we are paid for our service. That is one part. But let I tell you, if you want to rise, you want to progress, if you want to be successful, you cannot earn or you can have it without this. Respect for your elders, respect for your parents, and similarly respect for your teachers. Because it affects your learning. अगर आपको टीचर के ऊपर विश्वास ही नहीं होगा, यूनिवर्सिटी के ऊपर विश्वास ही नहीं होगा, तो आप बोलेंगे तो कुछ नहीं है, मैंने तो 2 साल करने, मैंने डिग्री लेनी है, मैंने जाना है। Your learning will be half. Trust is very important. अगर ट्रस्ट है तो रिस्पेक्ट। हम पेरेंट्स को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, क्यों? क्यों? आप अपने 2-3 साल की उम्र के केस देखना, जब पापा आपको ऐसे फेंकते थे, आप हंसते हुए नीचे आते थे। आपको पता था कि पापा नीचे है, पकड़ लेंगे, आते थे ना। देखना बच्चे को कभी अगर खिलाते हैं ना कई बार, है ना, तो नीचे को हंसते हुए आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको पता है मेरे पापा मम्मी पापा खड़े हैं हाथ, राइट? व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ट्रस्ट, एंड नाउ इट बिकम्स रिस्पेक्ट, राइट? बट आज की डेट में हमारे इंडिया में भी जो है ये नंबर, अब जो हाउसेस और जो एल्डर जो हाउसेस हैं, isn't it? The number is increasing. We need to eradicate, but this is not right. At least we must have respect. Okay? Then your turnout very good. These are simple things. These are simple things, right? But the thing is, try to be very particular about your turnout. You are not going to talk to everybody. But what you are, your turnout speaks. Without having dialogue, without having communication, आपने कैसे कपड़े पहने, आप कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, आप क्या हैं, वो आपके कपड़े पहने करने करते हैं। लाइफ में याद रखना, हम 0.001% लोगों से जितने में से मिलते हैं उसमें से 0.001% के साथ बात कर पाते हैं। बाकी हमारा इंप्रेशन हमारे कपड़े देके जाते हैं कि आप क्या हैं। तो थोड़ा सा टर्न आउट भी अपना देख के रखें। देखो हमारे इंडियन कल्चर तो फिर बहुत ही ज्यादा वो है ना। देन शो योर स्ट्रेंथ्स gracefully. Whatever you are having, whatever you have attained, you should present in a very graceful way. Because everybody is having certain strengths. It doesn't mean that if you are not able to be successful, then you are losing everything. No. 5 उंगलियां हैं तो 5 पूरी नहीं होती, लेकिन कम ज्यादा थोड़ा सा तो होता। 4 कमियां हैं तो 3 अच्छाइयां भी होंगी, लेकिन जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स है उनको आपको अलाइन करना है। नेक्स्ट, राइट। देन अनदर थिंग इज दैट डोंट से, जस्ट टॉक। अब थोड़ा सा अंदर की बात, बड़ी बारीक बात, राइट। Many people you can find when they are trying to say, they will be too aggressive कि आज तो हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं, हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान बनाएंगे, isn't it? Hot dialogues। कई बार कुछ फैमिलीज में भी ऐसे देखा जाता है कि वो बड़े हॉट वर्ड्स में बात करेंगे, बड़ी जोर से बात करेंगे, आराम से नहीं बात करेंगे। But the thing is, people who are liked by other people who just talk, you make your point, you convey your point, right? Then leave things. It's not essential always that you have to counter argue the things, because you cannot convince everybody, right? In communication, one another point is that now I'm trying to give certain tips from my experience, right? लेकिन आप क्या समझ रहे हैं वो मैं 100% ensure नहीं कर सकता। I can take the horse to the pond, but I cannot make the horse to drink। Meaning thereby that perception is yours, but one thing is, जो प्यार से politely softly बात करेंगे उनको अच्छा माना जाता है। बड़ी जोर से बोलना, loudly बोलना, abusive बोलना, it's not always essential, right? So this is then live to inspire। whatever you are doing, you do it best from your side। कि ये काम मेरे से पहले आज तक किसी ने नहीं किया, और जो मैं करके जाऊंगा ताकि दूसरा भी ऐसे ना कर सके। मीनिंग देन यू कैन पुट इन योर बेस्ट। अगर आप बोलेंगे ठीक है जी अब मैं तो आ गया, मैंने तो बैठना है यहाँ, हो लिया, कुछ नहीं होगा, मेरे से पहले भी गलती बन ली, अब और बन जाएंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा। दिस इज नॉट द प्रोफेशनल्स फिलॉसफी, राइट? एनी लेमैन्स फिलॉसफी कैन बी देयर, राइट? देन जल्दी से नाउ सक्सेस मंत्र अभी और है
आप कंटिन्यू करें।
हाँ नहीं, बस 5-10 मिनट, ठीक है। सक्सेस मंत्र। अब कुछ और टिप्स जो थोड़ा सा हो सकता है आपको और अच्छी बातें बता दें। ट्राई टू हैव गोल इन लाइफ। whatever you are doing, try to have goal for the program, try to have goal program for the semester, try to have goal for the day। Good people always plan things on day basis। In the morning प्लान करो कि आज मैंने ये करना है, और शाम को थोड़ा अपने आप से पूछो कि जो मैंने किया था वो क्या किया कि ना किया। अगर नहीं कर पाए तो क्यों नहीं कर पाया, नेक्स्ट डे विल बी बेटर। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फॉर एवरीथिंग। टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी। अगर आप नहीं कर पाए तो आप नहीं कर पाए, बट इन इंडियन कल्चर हियर द थिंग इज दैट वी ब्लेम अदर। मैं नहीं कर पाया तो क्यों नहीं कर पाया, वो यूनिवर्सिटी का माहौल ठीक नहीं है, वहाँ बच्चे स्ट्राइक करते हैं, स्टूडेंट कर सकते हैं, isn't it? Unnecessary justifications, unnecessary। take responsibility। if you have done some wrong, you are unable to achieve something, take responsibility, right? then believe it is possible। believe it is possible, everything is possible। don't try to confine your thought to this matter that I cannot do anything, or it is not possible, why not, right? 4 years back data science was imagination, right? Now it was created, conceptualized, executed, it's working, it is full of class, and you got opportunity to pursue this program, right? So think that it is possible, first thing। then visualize success। imagine you are in data science, after 2 years you will be in NASA।
ठीक है, अच्छी बात है।
सोचो तो सही कि मैं सक्सेसफुल होना है। Try to have big dream, isn't it? Try to have big goal for you. Don't try to have small goals, right? So the thing is, visualize success, then act as you are successful, isn't it? First of all, boost yourself. Keep your morale high. Keep your morale high. Think that I am successful. You cannot solve all the problems on earth. I am taking care of the exam. isn't it? It doesn't mean that I am going to solve everything. It is such a huge task, isn't it? But at least I will try to make some difference. Now this year, at least say, we were able to declare the results at least 1 month earlier. Then without say unsettled cases, 95% of the results for the first time in the history was declared successful. सिर्फ 5% केस अनसेटल्ड रहे हैं, और वो पता कौन है? वो जो बच्चे आ जाते हैं, पेपर दे देते हैं, एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म नहीं भरा या गलत भर दिया, जिनका रोल नंबर गलत है या कुछ उनकी सारी दिखते हैं, वो सिर्फ 5% तक केस हमने इस बार रखे। और उसमें भी आपके एरिया का बहुत रोल है, दैट आई टेल यू, डाटा साइंस, जिस कंप्यूटर आईसीटी, डाटा साइंस का बहुत बड़ा रोल है, क्योंकि इससे जो हम सारा डाटा लोकेट कर पाए, उसको आइसोलेट कर पाए, फिल्टर कर पाए, और उसको एक्सपेडाइट भी कर पाए, और हमने ये भी लोकेट कर दिया कि ये बच्चे कौन हैं जिनके रिजल्ट सेटल नहीं हुए। ये बाद में ही होंगे जब बच्चे खुद रिपोर्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें कहीं ने एग्जाम दे दिया बिना फॉर्म भरे, मतलब कुछ और ईयर वाले कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं, तो वो बैठ गए। मीन्स ऐसे केस है, और इसमें जो है ये आपको आपके डाटा साइंस का कल जो आप इसको फाइल किया होगे तो ये सारा काम करेगी। बट हियर द थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू एक्ट एज you are successful, will to pay the price. If some wrong is there, right? If you are unable to do something, you should be able to pay the price. Accept your mistakes. In other words, accept your mistakes. जब तक हम अपनी गलती को पहले मानेंगे नहीं, तो हम समझेंगे नहीं। अगर मान लिया, फिर समझेंगे। अगर समझ गए, तो सोल्यूशन भी करेंगे। लेकिन उसके लिए ये है, फिर आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान तो देना पड़ेगा। Then next is feel the fear. डर होना चाहिए। मैं आ रहा था, मेरे को आज क्लास पढ़ाते 35 साल होने को आ गए, फिर मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैं बच्चों को क्या पढ़ाऊंगा, जो मैं बोलूंगा क्या वो उनके कुछ काम का होगा, वो कितने काम का होगा, राइट? तो फील द फियर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फियर हमें ये बोलता है कि अब हमने कुछ करना है, डर से ही सब कुछ पैदा होता है, राइट? देन सीक मेंटरशिप। Your teachers are very experienced teachers, right? If we are able to give you something, right? Mentorship is very important in the professional world, isn't it? Guru to teacher, हम तो teacher हैं, ठीक है। Mentor is who is coaching you, who is guiding you for your mistakes, just like coach, there and then, isn't it? Personal as well as official or domestic or the professional workplace, have enthusiasm always. Keeps your hands ready, हम करेंगे, ये नहीं कि यार ये तो होना ही नहीं है। रोता हुआ घोड़े पे चढ़ेगा तो कहां तक जाएगा? बोलते हैं ना छोटी छोटी कहावतें, बहुत बड़ी मीनिंग है, राइट? सो द थिंग इज हैव एंथुसियाज्म ऑलवेज, राइट? देन कमिट टू कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट, राइट? ऑलवेज,
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
ऑलवेज, राइट? थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग इन योर एरिया, लॉट ऑफ एडवांसमेंट्स यू विल बी फाइंडिंग, राइट? बट यू हैव टू कीप पेस विद द चेंज टू बी सक्सेसफुल, राइट? द लास्ट लाइन नाउ क्विकली, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? ये अब थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा वैसे आपके लिए एट दिस स्टेज,
परफेक्टली हो गया, बहुत बढ़िया,
राइट? बट दीज आर द थिंग्स, राइट? ये तो दादी के नुस्खे वाली बात हो गई ना, राइट? कि सुबह उठो, थोड़ा सा पानी जरूर पियो, राइट? दूसरा पॉइंट ये है कि थोड़ा वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेज भी करो। लेकिन आज की जनरेशन के साथ पता क्या है, रात को सोना नहीं, सो रहे हैं 12-1 बजे, 2 बजे, 3 बजे, 4 बजे। मेरे को नहीं पता, आप तो बड़े अच्छे बच्चे लग रहे हैं, राइट? लेकिन जो 3-4 बजे सोने वाले हैं ना, change this habit, because your biological clock is not permitting this, because our biological clock says that कि 10-11 बजे तक सो जाओ और सुबह 4 बजे उठ जाओ, that is that exact time, right? लेकिन ये है कि आपको थोड़ा वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेज, तो बच्चे जो पेरेंट्स के उठ बच्चा दूध पी, चाय पी, ब्रेड पी, उसको माने नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज तो दूर की बात है, राइट? बट try to have something for that. Self meditation is a silent sitting at this time. But आजकल तो आपके पास टाइम नहीं है ना, वैसे टीवी से हटे तो मोबाइल
सेशन मेडिटेशन के तरह से आपके
हाँ ना, हाँ, then you learn a lot. But the thing is, try to give peace to your mind. Have silent sitting for some time. This is very important, right? Talk to yourself. Then practice gratitude. Gratitude is very important. Thankfulness. One should be thankful always. Be thankful for your parents. Be thankful for your teachers, at least. Then read something nice. थोड़ा सा कभी nice भी पढ़ना चाहिए. अब अभी नाइस अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है। अभी नाइस में आप पे छोड़ता हूँ, ठीक है। लेकिन टू बी प्लेजेंटरी, नाइस मीन्स विच प्लीजेस यू, विच प्लीजेस यू, राइट। देन थिंक अबाउट 3 things to do today. प्लानिंग को आप आता है कि सुबह उठ के थोड़ा आज क्या करूंगा, मैं थोड़ा प्लान तो करूँ, राइट। देन डोंट टच योर फोन बिफोर सेंडिंग, बड़ा भारी चैलेंज है। ये तो थोड़ा ज्यादा बोल दिया मैंने, नहीं। बट द हार्ड फैक्ट इज यू हैव टू डिसाइड दैट व्हेन यू हैव टू यूज मोबाइल। एटलीस्ट ये तो करो कि 7 बजे से पहले तो मत ही करो, लेकिन उससे पहले ये सारी चीजें कर लो तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, राइट। तो दिस वाज फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर किसी को अच्छा ना लगा हो तो भूल जाना, लेकिन ये जिंदगी भर आपको भूलने नहीं देगा, ये भी मेरे को पता है। दीज आर सच काइंड ऑफ द टिप्स, राइट। ये आपको डायरेक्ट एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन लाइफ के एग्जाम में यही क्वेश्चंस होंगे जिनके आंसर आपको थ्रू आउट द लाइफ देने होंगे। So with this, thank you, Professor Su, and all of you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very
Standing
much.
ovation बनती है।
So thank you. अगर एग्जाम का किसी का इशू होगा, then you can come anytime. I will be there. Okay. So thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of the Department of Data Science and AI and students and staff, I would like to express my deepest possible gratitude to my friend Professor Shyamlal Kaushal, और बहुत ही eloquently इन्होंने लाइफ के बहुत सारे मंत्र आपके सामने रखे हैं। आई एम श्योर अगर आप इसको 10% भी मंत्रों को पकड़ लोगे तो जिंदगी में आपको सक्सेसफुल होने से कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा, और कहीं 100% पकड़ लिया तो फिर जिंदगी आपकी कहीं की कहीं नहीं। थैंक यू सो मच सर।